Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I want to show you a really slick, just a nice clean 2006 Honda VTX 1300. This is the liquid cooled 1300cc V-twin, forward mount controls, got a 5-speed transmission, nice aluminum mag wheels, a really sporty looking bike. It's like a custom cruiser style bike, nice tires. It's got the detachable windshield added up front, pull back drag bar style handlebars. It's got a 2-up seat so you can ride 2-up on it. It's a shaft drive, nice chrome shocks, very clean. This is a carbureted bike. It's got an excellent tire on the rear disc brakes. It's been upgraded with some Cobra exhaust. Sounds really nice. Beautiful gray paint, gray metallic. A very nice dash setup on it up here. Easy to read. It's got, let's see, 14,997 miles. Sounds great with those Cobra exhausts. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team at 817-985-8888 or go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. This bike's been through our shop, safety checked, so she is ready to ride. Take almost anything with wheels on it in on trade and have several really good extended warranty options on this bike. We sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this VTX 1300 to you. This is Gino, Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.